Welcome back to Autoscope. The 2026 Suzuki Motorhome is a contemporary fusion of comfort, functionality, and efficiency. Outside design, using Suzuki's dynamic, contemporary style with fuel-efficient, sleek, aerodynamic lines, windows and ventilation for the most natural light and ventilation. Use a skylight and medium-sized side windows with sliding or hinged mechanisms. Doors, large. Double or single back doors provide access to the rear storage compartment, while wide sliding side doors provide convenient access to the cabin area. Inside layout, well thought out to make the most of available space within the cabin's measurements. A fixed rear bed is one that has a front seating area that can be made into a second bed. A stove, sink, and storage cupboards are situated along one side of the central kitchen. Materials and finishes, using materials that are easy to clean, long-lasting, and lightweight. Storage, the interior is equipped with clever, integrated storage options, such as rear storage space, under-seat drawers, and overhead cupboards. Lighting, the mix of functional lighting in the restroom and galley spaces, individual reading lights, and ambient LED lighting. Efficiency and performance, engine, because Suzuki places a strong emphasis on efficiency. The motorhome is probably going to be propelled by a small capacity gasoline or diesel engine that is cost-effective, while still capable of handling long-distance driving. Transmission, there are two types of transmissions, automatic and manual. Safety equipment, outfitted with contemporary standard safety equipment including airbags, ESP, ABS, and driver assistance systems. ADAS like lane departure warning and automated emergency braking. Connectivity and technology, control panel, a centralized system for monitoring and managing vital operations including heating, battery power, and water level. Infotainment, a touchscreen infotainment system that can navigate